Hi everybody, Donnie Wildman here. Today we're going to be putting this big specimen of Trichocereus peruvianus back into the bed that you can see behind me. Unfortunately this one rotted out about 2 months ago, so I've chopped it off at the base and I got it tied to this stick like a big kebab, and hopefully there will be no further rot left in this column, and we're going to offer it back into the bed and it'll just root straight back up in there. I've got a bro here to come and help me because I can't take this one on my own. So we've got this bamboo pole tied between two trees and we're going to offer it back in there and try to stand it up. So hopefully it'll just root straight back up. The roots will grow out of the bottom of the trunk there, back into the bed, and then hopefully in a couple of months it won't need the poles or the supports anymore and it'll be able to stand up by itself. Right then, shall I do the excellent? Okay, let's do it. Maybe if I get up in there.
Stand there, I'll pass it here. Might have to take that strap off.
Oh God, I just got spiked right in the ass. Well, if you can't tie knots, tie lots, as a wise man once said. Hopefully that'll hold it. Well, that went pretty smoothly. So what I'm going to put in, as well as the original soil that came out of the hole, is some worm castings, and that's pretty much just worm poop, which I get from my local garden center. But I find that has a really nice soft nitrogen profile, and the cactus really like it, and it helps to get things growing very vigorously. Yep, this is what I'm using. This is pretty good stuff. This is my go-to standard fertilizer, which I'm using in the garden, and I find that the cactus really do very well with this. And what's nice about it is you can't use too much. There we go. Looks like it grew out of there, which it did. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe. Tune in for more from my garden soon enough.